I'm Ruaisa Jewel. You can call me Ma'am Jewel. So today, we will discuss about TPACK. TPACK is a combination of content, pedagogy, and technology to make learning more effective. But before TPACK, there was a concept called Pedagogical Content Knowledge or PCK introduced by Lee Solman. Miss Jalali, can you please read?
Yes, ma'am. Suman's 2008 Pedagogical Content Knowledge (PCK) is a framework which involves the teacher's competence in delivering the concepts being taught by simplifying complex ones if needed or leading the students to study a concept more deeply and extensively.
Thank you, Ms. Jalali. So, PCK or Pedagogical Content Knowledge focus on how teacher deliver their content effectively by simplifying complex ideas and help students understand deeply. Later on, Punyo Mishra and Matthew Kohler added technology to this framework, which led to the development of TPACK. Now, let's learn what is all about TPACK. Ms. Rizala, can you please read what is TPACK?
What is TPACK? Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge Framework. TPACK is a framework that combines the teacher's three knowledge areas: technological knowledge, content knowledge, and pedagogical knowledge. This framework shows the interconnectedness of content knowledge with pedagogical knowledge and the integration of technology in making teaching more engaging, relevant, and effective.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Rizala. Now, based on what you read, can you explain to me what you understood?
For me, ma'am, TPACK means the teacher should know the content, use the right teaching strategy, and apply technology to make the lesson more effective.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Rizala. That's the right answer. Tipak means, as a teacher, we should not only know the topic, but also know how to teach it and what technology to use to help students learn better. It combines three important types of teacher knowledge. First, technological knowledge. It is the knowledge about how to use ICT hardware and software and associated peripherals. For example, knowledge about how to use laptop, LCD projector, Wiki, Blog, Edmundo, and Google Class. As a teacher, we need to have this kind of knowledge to effectively support and enhance students' learning through technology. Second, content knowledge. It is the knowledge of the subject matter. Example, knowledge about science, mathematics, history, and language subject. So in this, as a teacher, we need to have the strong content knowledge to explain the lesson clearly and accurately. Okay, for the last, Miss Senas, can you read please?
Pedagogical knowledge. It is the knowledge about student learning, instructional methods, educational theories, and learning assessment to such a subject matter. Just for example, knowledge about how to use teaching strategies like problem-based learning and teaching inquiry-based instruction and differentiated instruction.
Okay, Miss Senas, based on what you read, can you explain to me what you understood?
For me, ma'am, pedagogical knowledge means knowing how to teach students using the right strategies and methods to help them understand the lesson.
Thank you, Miss Senas. Pedagogical knowledge is about knowing how to teach effectively by using appropriate strategies, method, and techniques to help students understand the lessons better. Now, when these three combine, they form PCK, TCK, TPK. PCK means pedagogical content knowledge, knowing how to teach a specific topic effectively. TCK, technological content knowledge, using technology to better explain the content. And TPK, Technological Pedagogical Knowledge, using technology to support teaching strategy. Now class, effective teaching happen when these three, content, pedagogy, technology, work together. That's what we call TPACK. Now, do you understand what is TPACK, class? Okay, thank you. Now, let's proceed to the SUM-R model, which will be discussed by my co-partner, Ronaldine M. Libaton.
Thank you. Good day, everyone. Now we will proceed the SMR model. So, the SMR models developed by Dr. Robin Puentedora is a framework designed to help educators integrate technology into, into teaching and learning effectively. So, S stand for substitution. So, institution. So, Binibining Sinas, can you read? Thank you. So, this means using technology, a direct replacement for a traditional tool with no change in how the task is done. For example, is using Google Maps. So, instead of a paper map. And A is argumentation. So, in this part, in this part of technology integration, there is a functional improvement in the use of technology tools. It means using technology as a placement but with added improvements. So, like more improvement. Example is using Google Map to measure distance and travel time. So next is M means modification. So in this level, technology is used to redesign a lesson. So means changing and changing and changing the activity using a technology. Example is student upload and describe places online. Yun. The last is the R means redefinition. Redefinition, it represents the idea of creating something from the regular time. It means creating something new using technology. Example is student make digital using digital story or video presentation and share it online. So, the SMR model help teacher integrate technology in a more meaningful and effective way in the teaching and learning. Now, let's proceed to the Bloom's digital taxonomy. So, Benjamin Bloom is an educational provide the cognitive taxonomy which has greatly been used in education. His students Anderson and Kurzweil made some revisions. This is the revised Bloom taxonomy. So, in digital age, the skills are supported by technology, helping students think carefully and creativity using digital tools. And also the SMR model in relation to Bloom's revised taxonomy and Android apps supporting Bloom's revised taxonomy. That's all, class. Do you have any question?
And that's all for today, class. If you really understand our discussion, we will have a question and answer next meeting. Thank you.